Hi guys, it's Katharina, and in this video I'm going to explain to you my 5 top reasons why detoxification is a must if you want to increase your vibration. At the end of this video, you will understand exactly why detox is a way of living. I really hope that this video inspires and ignites you to take your health into your own hands and start living your best life ever. Reason number 1, why detoxification is so important. You never detox only on the physical level, but you always detox on the mental and emotional level too. So what does that mean? Whenever you have a blockage in your body, it means that there was a blocked thought or emotion that came before that physical manifestation of that blockage in your body. So first there is a thought, then there comes the emotion, depending on whether the thought is positive or negative, and then you manifest an action which leads to like a physical reaction in form of body fat or cellulite or like blocked elimination channels, blocked colons, livers, and so on, you know. So it really is a cascade that is working here, and you have to see that whenever you get rid of something, when you detox, you not only detox the physical aspect of your body, but always holistically all the levels within you. This leads us to reason number 2, why detoxification is so important. Every level influences the other one, and you have to be aware of that when you detox. For example, many people have constipation. Constipation is not only due to a clogged colon and a sluggish colon, but it's always as well thoughts and emotions that kind of like clog you up, that block you, that bring you down. So are you holding onto something that you're not willing to let go of? Whether that's people in your life, situations in your life, deep-rooted beliefs about yourself that you simply believe without never questioning whether they are true or not. So these thoughts, they create an energy and they create emotions, and then obviously there has to be a likewise frequency to bring that into your physical reality. And obviously when you have low vibrational thoughts and emotions, you tend to be attracted to low vibrational foods. Okay, so and then these low vibrational foods, they clog up your colon and kidneys and liver, so that stones are formed, you know, and all kinds of toxins and debris and mucus is accumulated, and this again is attracting parasites and fungus, candida, all of that stuff, you know, that helps basically get rid of these toxins. This leads us to reason number 3, why detoxification is such an important process. You need to let go of everything that is holding you down, because if you hold on to something that is not good for you, you're just piling on the kilos on your shoulders, and you then carry around this baggage all of your life, making it so much harder for yourself than it should be, than it has to be. Again, when it comes to constipation, what you could do in order to enhance your situation, for example, is to do a gravitational colon cleanse. Before you do that, you write down all the grudges, all the people you hold, negative emotions, everything that is kind of like negatively stored within you. You just write that down, and while you do the gravitational colon cleanse, you decide for yourself to just let that go and make peace with these thoughts and with these emotions towards other people and situations. And it's kind of like you're just lying there and you're just imagining how everything is going to be flushed out. So not only physically fleshed out, but as well mentally and emotionally, and you will feel a huge relief afterwards, because this way you intentionally not only cleaned yourself physically, but as well on your mental body and your emotional body. And this leads us to reason number 4, why it's so important to detox. You know, the body is detoxing every single day. This process is called autophagy, okay? And especially in the morning from 7 till 11, that's the time when you normally go to the bathroom and get rid of all the waste that has been accumulated the day prior, okay? So what you can do in order to make your own cleaning process more efficient is that in the morning you make sure that this process happens smoothly and most effectively and most efficiently. And you do that by giving your body time to rest, you know, and you make sure that everything is flowing, so you have lots of liquids, lots of fresh water and detox drinks and fresh juices in order to just flush out everything that has been accumulated the day prior. Lastly, the fifth reason why detoxification is so important is the fact that you are actually whole and complete, and all you need to do is through detoxification uncover and unlayer everything that is kind of like blocking your light from within. I really do believe that everything we're searching for, we already have that inside of us, you know. We are perfect, we are divine beings. But we've been programmed by society, by our parents, by our peers to believe we're not, to believe we have flaws, that we're everything else but perfect. And then this negative programming creates negative thoughts, which creates negative emotions, which then attract lower vibrational foods and circumstances and people that are just like layering and layering and layering us with burden that we don't need anymore, especially when it comes to this ascension. Like the veil is lifted. You know, everything is getting clear what is happening here. So this is your chance to get rid of all the baggage that you don't need anymore. And the good news is I can help you with this process. I created a detox masterclass in which I share very deep spiritual knowledge with the newest detox methods in 4 educational videos that will teach you how to holistically detox on all levels. You can sign up to this detox masterclass in the link below. And if you liked this video, you will absolutely love the detox masterclass. And this detox masterclass is 100% free, so make sure to click the link below and sign up now. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with your friends or with people who have health problems or who might feel stuck in any way. You know, the thing is that we are all in this together. And when you help someone else, you not only help yourself, but you help the whole collective upgrade and rise. And if you want to get more information on spirituality, detox, ascension, and get information that you don't find anywhere else on YouTube, then please subscribe to my channel now. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you soon.